Hi, welcome to Mission Pinoy. At ngayon po nandito tayo sa Long Beach, California sa pampamilya po at sa family outing. Kaya ito galing sa Alaska at dumalo dito sa Long Beach, dito sa lugar ng Mission Pinoy. Kaya ito. At magandang balita kasi kakasal sila eh. Kaya na chief kiss na kaagad. Okay, let's see. This is Rex. Si Rex, okay. At okay, at okay Rex, handa ka na bang magpatali talaga?
Pinag-iisipan ko nga eh.
Wala nang bakit nga dyan.
One more week to think about.
1 week. Teka, narinig yun ng ano? Ano? Ikaw ba, handa na talaga?
Handa siya, handa na din ako.
Okay. Ano mo ba, ang pag-aasawa eh, hindi parang mainit na kanin isusubo mo na pag napasok ka iluluwa mo? Sabi niya. Ikaw na in-interview ko.
Kapag napaso, talagang lulunukin ko na lang. Wala.
Yung pagmamahal. Okay. Teka, paano nga pala kayo nagkakilala? Yung interview. Nakasan nyo kasi walang mic eh. Walang mic. Paano bang
kaming magkakilala.
ginawa ni Lord?
Coincident.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Parehas kaming lonely
Lonely.
from past relationship.
Ano na?
Yun na nga.
Wala masabi. Kasi biglaan po kasi ang mga plug namin. Hindi man dapat plano, kaya lang talagang para naman mayroon kaming at saka para makapagbigay kami ng aliw sa inyo, okay? So, ngayon, mga ilang buwan na kayo nagsasama?
Wala pang buwan.
Oo. Talagang
Wala pang.
talagang love at first sight, no?
June last year.
Oo, okay.
Answered prayer.
Mukha naman masaya si Mrs. Future Mrs.
Oo.
Of course.
Yeah?
Mas masaya ako.
Masaya?
Oo.
Ganun talaga pagbigay ni Lord. Kasi the Bible said in Proverbs 18 verse 22, like a good wife is obtain favor from the Lord, or a good husband. You see? Kasi alam ni Lord eh. Maybe you pray for it or something,
Yeah, we've been praying
That's
for
why
it.
the Lord answered you, So that's why yung ngayon nag-decision kayo, naniniwala ba kayo sa soulmate?
Yeah.
Kasi talagang pag si Lord talaga, only si Lord nakakaalam. Ikaw ini-expect mo ba na si Rex na makikilala mo ngayon di ba?
Kasi magkasama na kami sa work.
Yeah, pero
Matagal na, pero wala lang.
wala lang, di ba?
Tapos,
Pero
hindi ko akalain na
Yeah.
of all people, sa katrabaho ko lang pala makikita.
yeah, amen. Hindi mo alam nandun lang pala, no?
Nandun lang pala siya sa gilid.
Hindi mo na kailangan maghanap. Ganun yan. Kaya minsan,
Hindi ko hinanap, dumating.
Yeah. Yeah. Tanongin naman natin yung magiging biyanan.
Ba't mo naman ang kasama dyan?
Hindi, tuwan-tuwa yung magiging biyanan kasi sa Las Vegas ka itakasal eh. Maraming slot machine doon. Biro lang biro lang.
Don't gamble.
Kaya ko siya, double na dual ko kaya. Anong masasabi mo sa kanilang masaya ka ba?
Wala, masaya ako para sa anak ko. At least meron na siyang makakasama habang buhay na kahit na nag-iisa siya, hindi na siya malulungkot doon sa Alaska dahil malayo.
Okay.
Dahil lagi siyang sa mga anak niya eh. Talaga siyang siya sa mga anak niya lagi, kaya kailangan niya nakasama.
Okay.
At least meron siyang at saka talagang kasama sa paglilingkod sa Panginoon.
So this is like a Brady Branch.
Yeah.
No, ano palabas yun? Brady.
Yeah.
Ito Kayla, hello. Okay, naiya ka. Ito, bunsong anak mo to, si Kayla. Kayla, pakilala sa Mission Pinoy. Shout out to sa taga saan ka? Sa Pasay? O mga kaibigan mo doon, baka nanonood. Ano sa'yo, shout out, nandito ka sa Long Beach. Okay, medyo naiya pa si Kayla. Pero, so, masaya ka ba that ang mama mo, may natagpuan ng Mr. Right?
No.
Narinig mo yan, Nora?
Ganyan
I'm not happy.
Why? You need to be happy, see? No, see, that's the way it is, you know, masasanay ka rin, okay?
Because I still like,
Yeah. What?
I still like Tita Lisa better.
Do what?
Tita Lisa.
Oh, Italy. Going to Italy. You will get your dream, okay? You just pray for it, okay? The Lord's have a purpose, okay, on you. That's why everything's happening this, you know? Okay, so this is Serenity, the daughter of Rex, right? So say hi to Mission Pinoy and the Philippines. Shout out to Philippines. Yeah. So she don't speak Tagalog, just English, right?
Yeah.
So just say, kamusta kayo dyan? Kamusta po kayo? This guy. See, I told her to, you know, learn not to speak Tagalog so she can be an actress, no? Yeah, like she look like a Maris Racal. Ano Maris Rascal. Okay. Okay, Doc. So at maglilibot-libot kami. Okay, at pakita namin sa inyo yung view. Okay, Doki.
Okay, let's go.
Ito na po, andito kami sa may pier, Long Beach Pier. See, that is the tower. Parang ano na rin, honeymoon ng dalawa. At pinashare ko lang dito. Okay. Meron pa siyang anak si Rex. Asa si Sam? Where's Sam? Rex, where's Sam? This is the Long Beach Tower. Long Beach, California. Sana ba magustuhan natin na magustuhan nyo ang aming konting
Maganda rin sa Long Beach.
ang aming konting samahan ng kapamilya, mga kapamilya.
Tama yan, no? Yung
Trying to go worldwide like content Biggie. Trying to take over cities, bring my real peoples with me. Trying to feed the poor, stop money for war. Make it safe for my daughter so she can walk to the store. Hey, you know I'm rocking the block. Thank you for your donations, I appreciate it a lot. Hey, I'm running the game every day. You know I maintain through the pain. Come on, yeah. What can I do? Thank you for your donations, I appreciate you. Come on.
Yan ang buhay sa Amerika.
Keeping it right every day. You know I'm
Kaya lang.
rock the mic all night.
Come on, dance.
Going every day. You know I'm
Woohoo!
flowing and don't stop.
Nawawalan pagka-Kristiyano ko rito.
Every day. You know I'm ready to.
Yan ang LA. Okay?
Yeah.
Yan ang LA.
Black rain, we try to finish world
LA.
struggle. Hey, on the daily trying to bubble. See, I'm all alone, no where I go home, all my folks is gone. But yo, I got to stay strong. Black rain, trapped up in this world to struggle. Hey, on the daily trying to bubble. See, I'm all alone, no where I go home, all my folks is gone. But yo, I got to stay strong. Black rain, come on, yeah, black rain. Hey, thank you, little man, appreciate you right there. Hey, come on. One day at a time, black.
Anak ni Sammy. Ayun, yung isang anak niya si Sammy. Hey, Sammy. This is Sammy.
Get that.
That's his son. Hi, Sammy. Say hi to Mission Pinoy.
Hi.
Say hi to Philippines.
Where did you
They
get
don't
that
speak
one?
Tagalog too, so just English. He's born and raised here, so. Wow.
Is that free?
May ganda mga anak ni Rex, no? Tsaka si Nikki, tsaka si Nikki. Napagkamalan niya sa church ng mga artista eh. Okay, Rex. May tanong ako last bago tayo mag-close, okay? Ano ang natutunan mo sa church? Sa narinig mo kanina?
Without,
Yeah. Didikit ko sa'yo
I
sa
think
pero.
yun nga,
Ilalayo ko naman.
without God, you cannot do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, relationship without Jesus in the middle. it's nothing. So
Yeah.
that's the main, you know, the main thing.
Talagang, now, nagdesisyon ka na ba na, are you willing to commit, you know, your life to Christ and then, you know, do your life, you know, with Christ? Something
Oh
like that.
yeah, it's been a while I commit.
Okay. So, are you very thankful that you met your wife?
Yes.
Your future wife.
Very
Mickey.
thankful.
See?
Very
He's
thankful.
very thankful. Nahiya si Mickey. Nahiya siya. Yan. O sige, at maraming salamat. You know, lahat kami na-bless sa pagbisita nyo. Okay? At sana, we just keep praying for you and Mickey. You know, and the Lord will guide you. And you just trust Him. You know, and all the way, give it to the Lord. Okay? Ate, okay. At ngayon po matatapos na po kami at maraming po salamat sa inyo. Bibigyan ko lang kayo ng isang verse. You know, a verse na bibigyan sa inyo na in Proverbs 15 verse 3, the eyes of the Lord is every place, beholding the evil and the good. What do you mean of that, Brother Eli? See, alam ni Lord, lahat ng, you know, the eyes of the Lord is everywhere. Kahit saan magpunta, you know, God knows. You know, like a CCTV, you know, like a camera or wherever. At lahat, you know, lahat ng creation, gawa ni Lord, you know. Lahat may mata. See the eyes of the Lord. He can use that all, you know. So that's why, if you, what is the meaning of that? The meaning of that is you need to trust. You need to trust the Lord. You know, you need to trust the Lord because, especially if you're gonna go to your new relationship or something, you need to trust your wife or your girlfriend or boyfriend or family or wherever you need trust. But how about it not trustful? No, you need to trust because you're not looking to the man, you're looking to the Lord, you know. Because you need to trust the Lord with all thine heart and lean not with your own understanding. That's in Proverbs 3 verse 5. Okay, so that's why you need to trust. You know, if you're doubting your partner or your relationship or your loved one, that means you're doubting God. You know, that's why you need to trust the Lord. And the Lord, you know, the Lord is He will bless you. You know, He will give you, He will tell you that, okay, trust me, I love you, and then if you trust Him, you're gonna have a peace of mind. Kasi mahirap yung wala kang peace of mind, you know. Kailangan talaga bigyan mo lahat kay Lord. 1 Peter 5:7, you know, casting all your care, for He cares for us. O sige, maraming po salamat sa inyo. At remember, in 1 John 4:19, we love Him because He first loved us. God bless you all. Maraming salamat po.
Bye!
Okay na?